We're at San Pedro Market here trying to get some ingredients to make Aji De Gallina. We got some nice ají, some onions, and some garlic, and we're gonna get some chicken now.
You're confused. The number of potatoes and the types of potatoes. He is confused.
Hi, we are Kenneth and Laureen from the Mixtape Chef. We are a supper club based in Singapore and we believe in bringing the world closer one dish at a time. As we dig deeper into the classic dishes from around the world, we only find more similarities than differences. So in late 2018, we set out on a 3.5 months foodie tour to 10 countries, which had cuisines that we were interested to learn more about. This is our journey. Subscribe to follow our adventure.
Hi chef, what's up? What are you wearing?
We have a very nice imprint from the Airbnb house here, and we're making Aji De Gallina. We didn't really enjoy the Aji De Gallina the first time round. So I'm trying to see if I can amp up the umami flavor. First we're toasting the ají. We got two different ají some more. We have the yellow one and we also have the dried one to see if we can get more flavor of it. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but just try. Smells good, huh?
Yeah, it does. It does. Hang on!
So we toasted the chilies. We are now peeling off the skin and de-seeding them.
How do they smell?
They smell like capsicum,
Yeah.
but unique. A unique capsicum. They're probably a capsicum as well. But the skin, check out the skin, how thick it is.
See? Oh. All the 嫩 things inside.
Yums.
Looking forward.
Just try the ají chili. It's mighty spicy. You don't see yellow looks so harmless, but it's mighty spicy. More than a chili padi.
Yeah, it's much more. It's more spicy than a chili padi.
Oh, I thought a yellow chili.
It's very powerful. It's good but
it looks sweet,
chili,
right?
It's chili padi, but it has the capsicum flavor, so it's a bit weird. Yeah. It's filming.
Oh, we are taking out the seeds.
Dangerous seeds.
Because this chili is
Crazy spicy.
Yeah, so we need to remove them as such. I mean, now I'm doing this. For the last hour, I've been doing nothing but the chilies. That's give me a certain appreciation for this dish.
Effort that goes behind it.
Yeah. I mean, it's just a chili for the last 1 hour now. Haven't got anything done yet.
Okay.
Alright, thank you. In South America has been crazy powerful. I don't know why. Whatever this brand is, Oyster,
Oyster.
it's freaking powerful.
You need to come Singapore.
Yes.
Sponsor us.
Now, we just blended the chili.
Oh.
It's a beautiful color.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Oh, chill.
Look at that. See, you're so happy.
Searing the chicken thighs. Okay, so today we have Aji
Lift it higher.
De Gallina, the Mixtape Chef version. So the yellow sauce is actually the yellow pepper, yellow chili puree. What's inside there is onions, garlic, cheese, bread, cream. It's a very rich sauce. Then we braise the chicken leg. So traditionally you have chicken breast, but I thought chicken leg would be more appropriate, so I braise it inside the sauce as well. With this potatoes, I don't know what it's called, shit, I forgot. When we
Oreo?
asked the potato vendor which is the best go with this, she said this one. Compis,
Yeah.
Papa Compis, and hard boiled because they always have hard boiled.
Looks sad.
Yeah. Anyway, here you go. Aji De Gallina. It's very spicy.
Alright.
Aji De Gallina. It took us 2.5 hours to make this. How do you find the sauce? A lot punchier, right?
Yeah. I can't taste the spice now.
No, spicy.
Yeah.
I cut back on it because it was too spicy for my palate. A lot punchier,
Creamier, yeah.
creamier,
Better.
cheesier.
Cheesier.
I
About
did-
cheese? I didn't know about cheese.
Yeah, I bought Parmesan cheese. I added a cube of chicken bouillon for extra umami. And I braised the whole chicken leg inside the sauce to give it more chicken flavor.
Okay, the spice is coming out. It's back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thoughts?
Pretty nice.
Did I salvage
Yes, you did.
Mixtape Chef?
You did.